On today's episode of MotoCheez.
Jeez. Yeah.
Let's swap this carburetor. How is that even possible? That was all fresh gas. Let's swap out these main jets. That's a 107. That's really tiny. 128. Non-ethanol fuel might have to be the way to go, man. I mean, I had a few people tell me that. It's $5 a gallon down here roughly right now. But I've used that stable and never had an issue, so I don't understand what's going on with this. I have to wire in the electric choke at another time. Was this a 107 also? I don't remember. 92. What? Something's cray.
A few moments later.
Well, let's see if it runs. Gotta wait for the gas to get in there. Oh yeah. That sucks that my kid couldn't get to try this out when it was running good. Wash my hands, turn off the light. I'm gonna go for a ride. Let's go, Hammerhead. You better not break down on me. Everything looks good. I gotta wire these up, huh? on?
What's happening?
I just went up through the power lines and then back the bike trail. Have you been around that way or no?
A few moments later.
The Hammerhead is back. What the heck happened to the... There it is. The little butt plug. Yeah, I gotta wire this in with the regular lights. I think the sun shined right on that carburetor. I'll bet you that's what it is. Hope you had fun riding along, boys. What's up? Just got back from a ride up at Inglis.
Inglis?
Checked out the spillway. Withlacoochee, where Withlacoochee Spillway is.
Yeah. See if you want to take a ride.
Adam's Can-Am, huh? That's something.
Pretty nice.
I guess.
All right. I'd rather have a new truck than this.
Suicide doors. This got air conditioning and everything?
Yeah.
What the heck? It does have air conditioning. That's crazy.
40 grand, you can have one of them just about.
Yeah, I used one.
About what, 80?
That was like 60 when I got it, roughly. This is nice. Huh?
That was yours when you bought it?
Nah, I got a brand new. I think maybe out the door was 55, something like that. I'll show you how to get through the trails, through the mini farms and come back through.
I was going to go buy chasers real quick too. He was way back in there. And will this make it through the trail?
Oh yeah. I go through all the time with the golf cart and everything. It's wide.
Oh, okay.
All that clearing by AutoZone over to that weed place is all going to be a hotel.
Yep.
Or a motel.
Adam told me that yesterday.
Oh wow.
I didn't know it.
That's crazy. Way too much development around here.
It is.
Yeah, this is nice.
We can really get cold air from both windows up, but
Oh, look at that. A little box comes off. Geez, that's fancy. That's something. High-tech Regnet.
Lone Star.
Can-Am Lone Star, yeah.
Google it and see what one costs.
Start at 30,000, I saw. Max Lone Star cab, HD11. Yeah, so this was 36,699.
Shit.
Yep, we're in the mini farms now.
So this takes us to Valentine.
Well, it depends where you want to go. I'll take you right back to where the pond used to be.
Well, Debbie's got a house on the corner right up here. I'd like to pull in there and say hi real quick.
At your friend's house here?
Yeah, she just built this.
Look at these power windows, tinted windows. Jeez.
What are you doing?
Jeez, this thing's... God. Talk about high-tech redneck. My God. Way too luxurious, huh? Look at this thing. Jeez.
A few moments later.
Okay, we won't tell.
Nice meeting you.
You too. I'll come open the gate for you.
All right, thanks, Debbie.
Mine died.
It originated out of Odessa, and then they got moved to Ozello.
I had a little one like this and that frost killed it.
No, they don't die. They'll come back.
Yeah?
Mine did.
Maybe, I'm gonna have to, mine was so
To
little.
about this high, I cut it down like that and then throw back.
I just
Oh.
those before the freeze, and they got froze out 4 times.
Oh, good, all right.
Come around and just look at them.
Yeah, good, thanks. I don't know, I feel like we need some Grey Poupon or something riding around in this.
Pardon me, would you have any Grey Poupon? But of course.
Yeah, that's a sport. Yeah, that don't have the dump bed and stuff. They're nice, and it's narrow. This is more for hunting and working and taking a bunch of people.
Take left here.
Yep. You can always tell because of the pile of rocks. I found a tortoise shell and I was carrying it with me, and it's against the law. So I put it right on top of those rocks. Someone took it. I found it right by that pond.
This is the way I used to ride my motorcycles over here.
You ever see that big Galapagos tortoise in there?
Yeah. Still there.
I haven't seen him. He is still in there. Yeah, see that tree that's bent over? That's how I always know.
Pretty neat though.
Yeah, there's...
Cruising around,
Yeah.
doing nothing.
I enjoy doing that. Now you know where we are, right? I think your friend's place is that way.
Well, they didn't even use hardly any. Well, the land went way back over there, so they bought some of that land.
Well, it still goes way back.
No, but it was a lot wider. It was like 10 acres.
Oh, wow.
It's amazing how fast they're doing this.
I know.
Hell, they could probably buy all that equipment plus 20 times more for just doing all this work.
Oh, yeah.
Whoever owns the company.
You're right. Open that window up and see what it feels like in here. It's hydraulic. Oh, look at that. There, that's nice. Yeah, this thing's pretty nice. You're supposed to be getting one.
Not one of these. Actually, I am getting one. Adam wants me to sell his old, buy his old one for 10,000 or something like that.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. It's actually pretty nice too. It's a Can-Am 1000.
Oh, it's over here.
See it?
Yeah.
Tight.
Yeah. Maybe it's just so hot it's venting fumes, you know. Thanks for the ride.
Let's go fishing.
Yeah, let's go.
I'll show you where them redfish are.
Take it easy. That was fun.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.